Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can change or fix your TikTok privacy settings. So go to your profile and tap on the three lines on the upper right. Go to settings and privacy and just tap on privacy. And here are several options that you can change, but I'm going to walk you through each one. So the first one we have is private account. As of the moment, I'm on private. And as you see here, it says with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So if you want that, then just go ahead and switch yours on. But for me, I'm just gonna switch it off. Just confirm that. And next we have activity status. So it says here, when this is turned on, you and the followers you follow back will see each other's activity status. So basically, if you want to see other people's activity status, and if you want other people to see your activity status, just turn that on. So let's, for example, just switch that on. And here another option is sync contacts and Facebook friends. So if you want TikTok to help you find friends who are also on TikTok, then just go ahead and switch that on, and it will automatically just sync your contacts to TikTok. And then here under interactions, basically you can just customize this to however you like. For example, let's tap on comments. And if you want other people or other users to comment on your content, just tap here and tap on either everyone or followers that you follow back. Otherwise, tap no one. And then let's go back. So it's actually the same for every option here. Let's say I do not want people to duet my content. Then I'm just going to change this option right here and tap on it. And then I will tap on only me, so that other people won't be able to duet my content or my videos. So there you have it. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.